Oh, hi, hello. I've got something really exciting to show you. We're doing a bit of traveling with the client, wink wink, and I'm just gonna show you something really fun, either fun or really dull, but it doesn't matter, I'm just gonna show you anyway, and it's right inside here. I'm excited because I wanted to work with Chris and Formation Industries for a while, and finally we had the chance to work on these. So there's about 30 plus hours into these.
Really fun.
Because we're traveling and the machine is really fragile, I didn't want the machine to move around the case. The idea is that not to have foam, because the foam will perish at some point, and also the machine is about 15 kilos, so when you move it around, when you ship it or carry it on a flight or whatever, the machine will slowly disengage with the original shape. So essentially it's 3D scanned the case, and then the actual sewing machine in all his different sides, and then essentially it's created this that fits exactly perfectly, and the play is known. There's four latches, one on each side, and you're able to remove this section and then just access the machine really quickly. The divider will slide just perfectly on, and there's not much movement essentially. He's also done this extra touch where he's added our logo and his logo here, which is a fun thing. I'm going to show you how it works. So 4 latches in different places just to be able to improve the access. And then finally you have, this is all BB grade wood, plywood. So this is all nice laser cut, then slowly refined in places. No bolts, so it's all kind of slotted in. And here's the machine. The fun extra thing that Chris has done is how to control the position of the handle. And these machines have a handle that you essentially operate the machine with. And very often stitchers remove the handle to be able to travel, because it's a very fragile part, and often this breaks. So what he's done is that he's literally just added a nice rubber band. It's a lovely touch. You remove it and you can prevent from moving it around, and it's a fun little touch. Amazing. Here's how you remove the machine. This is the structure. There's 4 bolts, 1 on each side, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then that's this birch wood dowels, and then it's all been nicely waxed as well, and so that's how you slot it in, and then just you're ready for travels. Geeky stuff. Thanks so much, Chris.